She just dripped on me. Ew. Okay. Hello everybody, welcome to today's vlog. Right outside, heavy metal Mickey. It's awesome. I always gotta say hi to Mickey. Hi Mickey. Okay. Friday, August 25th. Heading into Magic Kingdom today. I haven't been to Magic Kingdom since they've done the new fall refurbs, you know what I mean, with the pumpkins and all the spooky stuff. It's August. You know, I work in, I'm finally gonna reveal where I work at Cracker Barrel, and we started doing all of that stuff at the beginning of August. So
what 2 weeks of work looks like at Cracker Barrel. And yes, I decorated both trees.
it seems like it's earlier and earlier every year. Although I love fall, I love Halloween. So for me, I'm just like, more for me. So that's what I'm coming into the park to check that all out today. Maybe get some sweets because I've been craving like a caramel apple. I don't know why. And then I don't know, maybe we'll get on some rides. That's always fun. It's a little bit warmer today. Where I got parked was unusual. Let's do this. It's beautiful today. This is the crowds, and no one's on the trams. Tonight is Mickey and Minnie's Not So Scary Halloween Party. It is almost, well, it's 5 after 1. Wearing an appropriate watch, an appropriate hat, and an appropriate shirt. So, fun today. Join me. So, here's the sign for tonight's event. Sorry folks, tonight's event is all sold out. Crazy to think, August 25th, about 100 degrees outside. I mean, with humidity. Maybe it's not that much, it feels like that. So I just noticed something. There's new signs. So the monorail signs, those are new. Oh, they light up. The old signs were just, you know, wood signs. Oh, those are cool. I want to see those at night. But I gotta get out of here by 6. I'm so sad. It was a big debate of mine whether or not to even come in to this park on a Friday night in August. But that's fine. Maybe we'll go over to Epcot. This park closes. Always have that option.
In a lot of areas, they have you just don't ride it. Yeah.
Pretty. So they got the pumpkins out in front of the, you know, I'm gonna do a, hold on a second, let me get a nice photo. That's a good start. Okay, let's head to the pass holder line. Love it.
for those.
Oh, we're going.
Yeah. Thank you.
Okay, we're in. Sometimes it takes my fingerprint a little longer to. Oh my god, look how cute! They have little bats on the lawn everywhere. That's adorable. Okay, let's get a selfie. Just because it's so cute. How many times I've been to this park? Too many to know, not enough. Oh, look at the cute Mickey and Minnie's. That's just Mickey's, Mickey heads. We'll close promptly at 6, so it's just a few hours. Tonight's program, let's take a look at it. Tonight's event is Sold Out Mickey's Not So Scary Halloween Party. For event information, stop at City Hall. You know, I don't think I've ever been to City Hall. All right. Head on in. Want to do some fun stuff. Let's go there. That's what I'm saying. Let's check out the foliage. And get some fall sweets. Let's get on candy. The heat has gotten to my brain. Let's look at the fall foliage, the decorations. Oh, they're so cute. Get some sweets. Get on Haunted Mansion. And I hear Dapper Dan's. Oh, of course. Anyway, nice little glimpse. These right here. These two. The mayor. Oh, that's cute. Got a little parasol. Mayor's got a top hat. Oh, look at Main Street, USA. His drum is all blown out. Make our way to Dapper Dan's. It's always a good time when you're getting welcomed by Dapper Dan's. What a beautiful sight. They have holiday decor. Love it. Look how cute they are. There's a new guy in there.
Let's start with Can-Can. Hey!
What?
You got it. When I say hey, you say what? Hey!
What?
What did Gaston win at the end of Beauty and the Beast?
What?
The Nobel Prize.
Hey!
What?
Where does Captain Hook go to get a new hook?
Where?
The second-hand store.
Hey!
What?
Why can't Cinderella play soccer?
Why?
She keeps running away from the ball.
Hey! What?
Why does Goofy wear 2 pairs of pants when he goes golfing?
Why?
In case he gets a hole in one. When Irish eyes are smiling, lovers is like a morning stream. In the hills of What did Daisy Duck say when she bought lipstick?
What?
Put it on my bill.
When Irish stars are happy, all the birds sing, cry, and gay. When Irish eyes are away.
at the, oh, look at the pumpkins up there. Love it. Pumpkins over there. There's pumpkins everywhere. Just absolutely love it this time of year. Just doesn't seem like we had much of a summer. Like it went by so fast. Always does. But I love all the orange banners, and I love how they get this all done in one night. Yeah. Doesn't get much more beautiful than this. Gorgeous day. 1:30. People with carts see me coming. They're gonna hit me. Pumpkins, pumpkins, pumpkins. I know this much. If you hate the color orange, oh look at Casey's Corners. Corners, I said. Corner. They have baseball bats. Oh, that's cute. What else do they have up there? Hot dogs and french fries. Oh, that's adorable. Okay, I hopped in line. Can't imagine. It said the 20 minutes. So unless people mad rush lightningly, it'll be about 20 minutes, if not sooner. This ride is nice and fluid because of the Omni cars. Like it just keeps moving and moving. I was hoping the steamboat was gonna come through, but maybe we'll get on that next just to sit down and cool out. Oh.
Pretty close.
This is as much as I get to see of the queue line, so that's a good sign. So, I think we're gonna get shut off. I was hoping to catch her eye. Oh, there they Just keep her eyes open. There we go. Now, imagine, here we go. So I heard that they're going to be shutting this ride down for a while. I'm not trying to whisper, there's a lot of people around me. They're going to be shutting it down for a while to get the Hatbox Ghost in here, which I'm excited for. So, yay to that. Just waiting for the AC.
And strange, frightening sounds echo.
I don't want to stand. No one wants to get. Is it real?
When ghosts are present, practicing their terror with delight.
I knew it. I knew it. I didn't want to get near you. I knew it.
I am your host, your ghost host.
It's a little differently lit in here. I think for not so scary.
Just as though you sense a disquieting metamorphosis. Is this haunted room actually stretching? As they say, and will continue.
Usually I'm on the ride when this happens. Cool. There?
Do not pull down on the safety bar. This morning, the spirits will materialize only to remain quietly seated at all times. Oh yes, and no flash pictures, please. sensitive to light. Playful spooks have interrupted our tour. Please remain seated in your doom buggy. We will.
Can you see me? I love this
Cranky spirits, kindly remain seated in your doom buggy.
cranky spirit.
We'll continue on.
Love it. Oh God. Oh, I finally get adjusted to the dark, and they're like, no.
Our library is well stocked with priceless first editions, only ghost stories, of course. And marble busts of the greatest ghost writers the literary world has ever known.
Oh, there's a big cello. Oh, we're going up. You can see the stairs. There's like lanterns, and there's feet walking around. There's a lantern hanging upside down. There's spooky eyes staring at us. It's like the wallpaper's come to life.
Unlivable here in this house. Every room has warmed to earth, and hot and cold, running
Oh, you're watching me. Hi. Love it. Oh, there's the clock. I love the clock. Oh, that shadow.
Goblins and ghoulies from last Halloween, awaken the spirits with your tambourine. Crazies and cries, toads in a pond. Let there be music from regions beyond. Wizards and witches, wherever you dwell, give us a hint by ringing a bell. Serpents and spiders, hail the rat.
The happy hawks have received your sympathy and are beginning to materialize.
Let's join them. Let's join them. Two brothers dueling. There they go. That's cameras, right? The only human here. Oh, that tombstone is moving. I've never noticed that. Alright, there's my man. Come on. You guys are looking so good tonight. So good. Hi. The hitchhiking ghosts.
They have selected you to fill our quota. They'll haunt you until you return.
Where did I get? Oh! Oh, he's there with me. Hey, buddy. Oh. Get down.
Be sure to bring your death certificate.
Okay, we just got off a haunted mansion. Always a good ride. Always a good time. Let's get a photo. I usually skim past this part, but there she is. I mean, honestly, you think this is my first time here, the way I act. Been here millions of times. I just love it so much, it never gets old. Okay, let's head on over. Let's go find something to eat, find something to drink. There was something else I wanted to do. Oh, let's go over to Memento Mori again. That sounds like a plan. It's that way, right? There she is, Memento Mori. Okay, so last time I came in here, I didn't get to vlog at all. And they got some stuff. Oh, that's cool. Oh. So I really do love the Spirit jersey. Oh.
Are you serious?
Someone's just scratching on the wall.
No, no, no.
That's so funny. Be here all day knocking at the door. That's really cute. That's super distracting. And then right here, actually, I did see, where's the, oh, here we go. If you want to dress up like Madame Leota, this is the cutest set. It actually looks like Madame Leota. Do they have a photo? No, they don't. Go online, I'll try and find a photo of it, but some cool coats. I think they go in the dark. They got those cool bags with the chains. Okay, this is what I didn't show last time.
Not on the picture. No, not on the picture.
Wear a rapid tap like this. This is really cool. I haven't seen this one. Nothing on the back. That one's a lot lighter weight than the other Spirit jersey they have here. Hey, hold on, I got a good one. I'm gonna break it down. Nice. Imagine that job. Just knock on a wall all day. Heading up. Okay, that was pretty much about it. They do have pet beds that they just added, and I know I've shown this stuff before about the ornaments. The air conditioning does feel very good. Coming into the park, I have no agenda, no plan today. It is almost 2:15. Again, we've got to get out of here in 4 hours. So I think I'm going to look on my app and see what's going on. Oh, that's really sad that the steamboat's not going. Okay, I just checked the app. I don't know if the app is telling the truth or not, if someone lost a chewy little binky. But it said it's a small world. It's 10 minutes. So let's vamos. I see no one in line. Is it because it's a small... No, people are going on. I had gotten a message from the app, the My Disney Experience app, notifying me that Pirates of the Caribbean was down at the moment. So right now we can't go on that, but maybe in a little bit we can. Let's see. Look, it says 10 minutes. Clock is going. I always love the smell of it in here. I think it's because of all the chlorinated water. Hi, Coffee. Not too bad. Normally, for I was gonna say Peter Pan. Peter Pan's right across the way. That's always a long, long way. But normally this ride is too. So I'm excited. Just a few minutes.
Get your cast member.
Hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the boat. And please watch your children. Thank you. Bienvenidos. Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado y mantenga las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del barco. Y cuídense de niños. Gracias.
The happy reindeer.
heaven, right? Because there's the Hula Girls. It's got to be heaven. Look at this. I don't know why people assume white is heaven, but everyone's here. Like if they all died and went to heaven, you know what I mean? I think that's the moral of the story. Okay, we just got off of It's a Small World, which I hardly ever go on just because the wait times are always way too long. So I am really hungry right now. I'm thinking Casey's, like a chili dog sounds really good. And then we'll go hit up like confectionery and get some sweets. Sounds good to me. All before 6 o'clock. Nice. Me too, little baby. Me too. Okay. Found the Cinderella. So, I never ever get a shot of this. Okay, so I stopped off at Casey's Corner. I got myself a chili cheese dog and some french fries and a Coca-Cola because it's so hot outside. I had to, and I'm hungry.
Like that because now we look at that every time. Did you ever wonder why they
Didn't look too bad. I just wish I could wash my hands beforehand, but whatever. Smells my hot dog. So this woman has been staring at me for the last 3 minutes, kind of like, get out of your table so I can take it. And I've been very aware of it. And finally she gave up waiting and took a different spot, less desirable, but because I'm by myself, so I get treated less than, but anyways, this hot dog is very good. I always think about, so I crave Casey Corner hot dogs all the time. They're so good. It's an all beef hot dog, so and I don't know who their outsourcer is, but I highly recommend. I crave them, like I said, all the time, but it's nice and cool in here. It's air conditioned. It's really hot outside, so I know people want to sit down and relax, but you know, don't bully someone while they're eating. Anyways, I'm almost done. And then we'll go over to the confectionery and get some sweets. So, we got stops. I just want to walk across the street. You feel me?
Though I do like breaking femurs, you can count me with the dreamers. Like everybody else, I've got a dream. Can't you see me with that special little lady? Rowing in a rowboat down the stream. Though I won't discuss the rider, I'm a lover, not a fighter. Cause way down deep inside, I've got a dream. Got a dream. Where my life begins.
confectionery. This is what I've been wanting. Sweets. Sweets galore. Do we go to the, let's go to the, oh, how cute. What is this? Candy corn? How cute. That is so cute. Ooh. Oh, they got right there too. It smells so good in here. Okay, let's take a look. Let's see what they have. I'm really excited. I've been waiting all week for this. Ooh. Look at that. Spooky spider cookie. Oh, sweet. I think I'm going to get a Rice Krispie treat pop. That looks really good. Ooh, a candy apple with gummy lifesavers. That's very pretty. Mickey caramel apple. Ooh. I don't know what to get. Okay. I think we'll go up to the booth. I don't know what I want. I have no clue. Let's take a look now. I don't want that. Oh, look how cute. The little bats. It looks like. Alright, I'll make a decision here. Okay, we'll get one of these for sure. Because I've been craving these. Should we get Mickey or Minnie? Both Minnie. It's just cute. Then I've been craving one of these caramel apples, but I think I should get one from back there. I got the goods. I got a caramel apple. I hope it doesn't melt on my way home. And I got a Rice Krispie treat. Okay, let's head on over to the park. Okay, everybody, thank you so much for joining me on today's vlog. You watched my step. Head on out. Let's hope the caramel apple doesn't melt. Wishful thinking I would stop for popcorn, but that's just longer time for my apple to melt. So, all right. Hope you enjoyed this. I know it's been a while. Work has been just swamped because we've been switching over to Christmas. So, yeah, decorating trees and setting up displays. Sorry I haven't been around, but I hope you all have a good one. Thanks for joining me. Let's get flyer. I didn't grab one on my way in. Grab one every time. Nice. Okay. I will see you all later. Bye. So I'm back home. This is one of the many items, well, one of the 2 items that I picked up while I was at Disney World. It is the cutest Minnie Mouse Rice Krispie treat bar. I was really worried that this and the other item that I picked up wasn't going to make it home because it was really hot today in the park. It was over 100 degrees. But they both made it. The second item, it's a surprise. Eat this and yeah, I'm excited. So I ate the whole thing, but my only critique for this, well, there's too much white chocolate. Other than that, it's really good because I ate the whole thing, you know what I mean? And here's this surprise one that I picked up. Isn't it cute? It's so adorable. I'm about to eat it right now. And the ears are marshmallow. Okay. Oh, it's so good and cute. Looks like it's glowing. Little jack-o'-lantern pumpkin. Okay, I quartered. First I halved. Then I gotta cut off a quarter. I don't know how I'm gonna like it with the white chocolate. That was a bit risky, but here's the marshmallow. I know I'm gonna like that. This white chocolate is, normally I don't like white chocolate. This is good white chocolate. Maybe this won't be so bad. Okay, I'm gonna repeat myself what I just said. This is one of the best caramel apples I've ever had, and I've had a lot of caramel apples, so this is the best I've ever had. Who knew? I haven't had a Disney World caramel apple. That's what I've been missing. 10 out of 10. Highly recommend. 100%. Okay.
is down, what's left is right. Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through. Times don't fly too high. Be sure to keep the ground in sight. Fly forever if you keep it tight. Love the world, but keep the sky on your mind.